Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is all about this bronzy, glowy makeup look. I typically like to wear this makeup during the summer. It's very light. It's all about the gold, the bronze, and the glow. The last couple of years I've been going to Mexico and I love Mexico weather. After 1 week, my skin's so dark and I love the darkness that I get out there. And this is the typical makeup I like to wear when my skin's darker. For some reason, gold bronzy looks look so much better on darker skin. I don't know what it is, but I am so attracted to like that sun-kissed golden skin look. It's so healthy and beautiful. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create more of like this healthy, glowy, bronzed out skin. It's very light, it's very easy and simple. If you guys are interested, please keep watching. This feels so good. I love anything with rose. It soothes my skin. This is the Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream, and I believe this is from Fresh Beauty. So I'm going to start off with my skincare, and I'm going to make a little concoction with a glow drop that I absolutely love, a primer, and my foundation. The first thing is the Sand Sky Australian EMU Apple Glowy Drops. I absolutely love this. It makes my foundation look really nice and dewy, so I'm just going to do one drop on this palette, 2 drops. And then the primer, which is by Lorac, the Glass Skin Primer, I'm going to also do 2 drops. And then my foundation, do a couple of pumps. I'm going to mix them all together. So here's the difference. As you can tell, this one's more fresh and dewy. I'm going to use the ILMAKIAGE F on Flawless Concealer in shade 3.5. I'm going to take that right here on the side of my nose. This is going to kind of pinch my nose a little bit around this area because I tend to get shadows there as well. I don't even go underneath my eyes here with this shade. I go in with like a shade that's closer to my foundation color. By the way, this is from Huda Beauty and it's amazing. So look how quick and easy that concealer blends. I love this formula. Draw a line here to give my eye more of a lifted look and just blend away. My pores are pretty big in the center of my face, and I'm going to be using a mattifying, minimizing pore primer. Focus that here because that's where I get shiny the most. Well, I get shiny everywhere, but I don't want the shine to be here. I like shine here, here, not in the center. Alright, for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr, and I'm just kind of lightly dabbing it around. To increase the dewiness a bit more, I'm going to use the Farcelli Rose Gold Skin Mist. Literally the perfect shade to contour and bronze with. It's not too warm and it's not too cool. And I'm also going to be putting this on my eyelids as a transition shade as well. Pressing in that bronzer in to the skin, bronze up the nose area. And then I'm just putting this on my eyes. It's just such a beautiful shade. Looks really nice and healthy on the eyes as well. I love this palette. It's the Joyful Cheeks Blush and Highlighter palette. And it adds to that nice healthy glow. Just tapping it. I don't want too much. Put it on the bridge of my nose as well. Just gives it that sun-kissed look, like I just got my first tan of the year. This is new by Too Faced, and this is the Chocolate Diamond Bronzer. It's such a pretty color. And I'm going to place this on my lids. To blend the lashes, I'm just going to put some liner on top. Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock. This highlighter is freaking amazing, you guys. It comes in 2 shades. I like to use more of the golden shade here. For my brows, I don't want them too perfect. I actually like something a little bit more less perfect on my brows when it comes to like a glowy, sun-kissed look. So I'm just going to gel them up. I'm not going to care about perfecting them too much. So if one hair kind of sticks out a little bit, that's okay. That's okay, Elwa. I want to add a little pizzazz, okay? I always say I'm going to do a YouTube tutorial that's very simple, but I always add more than I want to. So I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona eyeshadow in Bronzage. This is a very beautiful gold. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Take this balm off. Sharpen up this lip liner. This one is in shade Timber. It's the perfect nude for my skin color. And I'm just gonna kind of contour my lips with it. I do have a cold sore here. I'm gonna go right above it. And I'm gonna overline my lips to make them look bigger. I'm trying to camouflage it as much as I can. So it's not as hydrating as I would like it to be, but it did lighten up my pout area, which made my lips look bigger. And now I'm gonna go in with a gloss to give it more of that plump effect. Alright guys, that is the end of my makeup video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you guys want to see more summer, spring, glowy, please give this video a thumbs up. That way I know to do more. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you guys in my next video.